What a difference a couple days make. In the middle 40s right now, supposed to be another nice day tomorrow, and then there's a chance of snow, rain, sleet, pretty much anything. But right now, can't complain. Middle 40s and a lot different than what we've been used to. All the snow starting to melt. And we're gonna start this video off with a little mail time. Went down to the P.O. box, had this in there. I think I know what this is, but until I open it, I won't know for sure. So we will get this open. And it is what I thought it was. This was sent to me from Ethan over on OBS Revolution. He's one of the administrators over there, OBS Revolution on Facebook. That's our Facebook group over there. And he sent me a sticker. YouTube certified master automobile technician. So there is another piece of paper in here. I imagine this is probably a receipt or something. Yeah, that's what it is. So don't need to read through that. Thanks, Ethan. Not exactly sure where I'm gonna put this. Either on the truck, maybe on the fridge, toolbox. I'll figure that out, but thanks a lot. I do appreciate it. And I started this off with mail time because I thought that's what this was, and I wanted to see. I do have something planned for tomorrow, and you'll see that right now. Well, it's the next day, and what a gorgeous day it is so far. Guess I left one of these in here from yesterday. And if you're wondering, it's Tang. So I'll get the truck fired up, see how she's gonna run this morning. Not bad. Gonna take this down to the shop and gonna move those furnaces out of there, put them in the old shop. That wasn't too bad. I'll go stick these in the old shop. And figure out where to put these things. I think I'll just stick them over here somewhere. That way, if I do want to pull a truck or something in here, I can. And I see the door is open on the outhouse. What's up, George? George. Anyway, that's that. George does not back down. Get her, George. Anyway, yeah, it looks like the door came open on this old outhouse. Not in very good shape. This thing about blew over several years ago in a big storm that we had. Probably should just tear it down, but I kind of hate to. Need to get some screws and just screw this door shut. Oh, that'll hold it for now. This building here used to be a gas station uptown. There's a small town about 2 miles away from me, and this was a gas station, I don't know, probably back in the 50s, 60s, something like that. I think I might have this door, yeah I do, I have it screwed shut because it wouldn't stay shut. Thought about fixing it all up at one time. It's got sockets out here for light bulbs. It does have power in it, and I thought it would look pretty sharp. Not exactly sure what happened here. Kind of a neat little old building. And that window's broke out, that window's broke out. I think part of the problem is this big old walnut tree here. Get a big wind and walnuts come flying down like they're sitting in here, and probably break these windows out. Anyway, little tour of the old gas station building. Are you guys having fun? I think Jesse is. I'm not so sure about George. You lose your friend? And this old silo here, I don't remember when that was actually built. Show this in almost every video when I'm walking down to the shop. One thing I would like to do on this silo, probably never gonna happen, but I think it would be really awesome. Take that dome off the top and build a big deck up there. Big deck with plexiglass surround walls all the way around or something. Hot tub, bar, and then maybe a zip line from the top out somewhere. Maybe into a nice in-ground pool. I don't know, something I've always wanted to do. Never have brought it up in a video, but I talk about it a lot. Okay, you guys need to stop. I think George has about had it. Not really doing a whole heck of a lot today, just kind of messing around. Wanted to get those furnaces out of here. Nice day out, perfect time to do it. And as far as this goes, kind of been rethinking what I was going to do with that, and don't think I'm going to anymore. But an idea that I do have: take this valve cover and clean that one up and do the same with it so it looks like this one, and then take these. I was talking that I wanted to make some hanging lights over the workbench over here. What if we took these old valve covers, these are off of my green truck, and made a couple hanging lights right over the workbench? Wouldn't be too hard to do. Just take some LED lights and string them inside there. Might need a 2 or 3. Kind of liking that idea. So yesterday got that sticker from Ethan, the YouTube certified master automobile technician. And I also got something else. I finally got channel stickers. I've had quite a few people over the course of, I don't know, the last year or so, requesting stickers, and it's one of those things that always gets put on the back burner, and I finally got it done. These are available now. Link to those along with t-shirts, hoodies, it's down in the description. So if you've been wanting a sticker from the Fox shop, they are now available. They actually are pretty nice. They're 4 inches in diameter. They're a vinyl sticker. Get yours today. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. Just trying to get a few things done outside now that the temperature's gone back up. Have some picking up around the yard to do. And don't forget, check out Central Oregon Shenanigans with James and Kyle over there. They're trying to get up over that 1,000 sub mark before January 20th. Go check them out. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.